Maybe nobody noticed, but the guitar is increasingly heard in the world's music charts. The guitar is a big part in the hits of 24K Golden, Ian Dior, The Kid Laroi and Lil Nas X. And the guitar in these songs is played by one guy, Omar Fadi. And also in this song, That's What I Want by Lil Nas X. This song has one important strumming pattern, what's the body of the song. And this strumming pattern is used in all the parts of the whole song. The chorus has the following chords: the F chord, the C chord, the G chord and the A minor chord. If you want to play the F chord in an easy way, you can play the F major 7 chord, which is the 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B string and an open E string. And you have to strum it from the D string. And after the F chord you have to play the C chord. And after the C chord you have to play the G chord. And after the G chord you have to play the A minor chord. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, the C, G chord, A minor. And now I'm going to learn you how to play the strumming pattern. And this strumming pattern is used in all the parts of the song. So in your left hand, the F chord, and you have to play it like this. So first a downstroke, and then you have to mute the strings, but strum the strings while muting. And it sounds like this. So down, mute. One more time, and down, mute. And then you have to make 2 upstrokes. So down, mute, up. One more time, and down, up. And after the upstrokes, you have to mute the strings again. So down, mute, up, mute. And after this last mute, you have to play an upstroke again. So down, mute, up, mute, up. One more time, and down, mute, up, mute, up. And in the last upstroke you can change from the F chord to the C chord. But be sure you have the strumming pattern right of the F chord before you go to the C chord. From the F chord, C chords. And the C chord has the same strumming pattern. And then we'll go to the G chord with the same strumming pattern. And then we'll play the A minor chord with the same strumming pattern. So in a slow tempo it sounds like this. C chord, G chord, A minor chord, F chord, C chord, G chord, A minor chord. And you have to play this 3 times. And at the 4th time you only have to play these 3 chords, and this chord changes to an E7 chord, which is open thick E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D string, 1st fret on the G string, open B string and an open E string. And then you have to play this strumming pattern: down, 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 down. And you have to mute the strings in between those downstrokes. So down, mute, down, mute, down, mute, down, mute. Now we're going to play from this F chord to this E7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, F, up. And now we're going to play the chords and the strumming pattern of the verse. The first chord is an A minor chord and it has the same rhythm as the chorus. So down, up, mute, up. And then you have to play an E minor chord. And you only have to play a down strum and a mute, down, mute. And then you play a G chord in the same rhythm. So E minor, mute, G, mute. So from the A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, E minor and G, mute. Mute. And you have to play this 3 times. And after this you have to play the D minor in the same rhythm as the chorus, so down, up, up. And then you have to play the F mute, E7 mute, so down, and. Now we're going to play the A minor to the G chord 3 times, and after we play the D minor chord to the E7 chord. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. To D minor. So now you know how to play the verse of this song. The intro and the pre-chorus have exact the same chords as the verse. So shall we play this song together from the intro up to and including the chorus? I hope I helped you to play That's What I Want by Lil Nas X. From the link in the description you can download the lyrics with the chords. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video.